What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy DeGilt coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the NikeLab Parka. And if you guys enjoy the content, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. Let's get into it. Now these retailed at $400. I purchased the navy colorway and the university gold. I got both these pieces in an XL. Personally, I wish I would have got a large because these are a little big around the waist area for me. I'm 6'3", 225 pounds for sizing reference, but they still definitely both fit. Looking at the front of the jacket, the first thing we're going to go over is the hood strings. They do have lace locks so that they don't get pulled through and then you're having to try to fight to put them back in, which is super nice. And they also on the lace up ends have like a Nike swoosh, which is really dope. As you move further down on the jacket, you have two front pockets, and both those pockets have buttons, which is super nice. And then right on the side of them are two side pockets that have zippers. They share the same space but are in different compartments. So if you put something in the front pocket, it's not gonna be the same pocket as the side pocket. But since the material is so thin, you will be able to tell if you have something in either pocket. As we move over to the sleeves, you're gonna have a sideways Nike swoosh and then an adjustable strap so you can adjust it on your wrist. Now as we open up the jacket, it features buttons and then you can unzip it, and it's kind of nice is that the buttons go a little further length than the zipper, and then as you look on the bottom of the zipper, it has a pull tab, so as you pull it up, it's a little easier. You're going to have two spots where you can hang up your coat, and then you're also going to have two holes that are in your armpits so you can have breathability. Other than that, the inside doesn't really have much feature that I can really show you. As you move on to the back, you can see that there's an adjustable hood. So at the bottom of the jacket, it is slit, and then the bottom is a little bit longer on the back versus the front, and I think this looks super nice. One thing I wish that this jacket would have came with would have been an adjustable waist. I think if we could have been able to put something in there where it would have fit me a little better because it's really loose. Honestly, when I wore the navy, I kept it unzipped, so it definitely doesn't look bad, but I definitely wish I would have got a large, like I said. Other than that, there's really not much details I can go over with you guys. It is pretty much just a solid color rain jacket, rain parka from NikeLab. It is really high quality, and I think at $400 it was priced a little bit high. I do have this in the navy colorway and the university gold. I actually haven't even worn the university gold yet, but since the Air Forces dropped and I have those, I think maybe be able to pull them out on some type of fit. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I have a ton of content on NikeLab and Nike Tech, and also I do heat unboxings. Make sure you guys stick around at the end to see the full try on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.